Kaliang persya yang dorbar tawaan ke jela Meghalaya ke balayalam dan keseng Kongres kaladawa dan ke judicial probe rengkat ke jengpet ngoru dan ke yang syari ke bahakli du jangkari ke Supreme Court. Halor ke kubor ba ke sorkar pedeng ke NDA kalau penankam dan ke buit ke balong bean banyo jengtip dan ke jengkren phone ki he ki han jangkari India. Secretary ke All India Congress Committee Zenit Sangma hagajok kopor ubalong ru unong aiktian jangga Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee. Uloong bahagi kendiat sengi balala lami ke kubor ba ke sorkar pedeng ke National Democratic Alliance. Belayalam da keseng BJP, kala penankam da ke kenhun Pegasus, banwat sop-sop igi jengtip lengba ki mobile phone, halor ki jeng ekran kam kinong mi kemat keseng Kongres hapdeng jongki, bat ki message ki belaya pa paramaki. Uzanet sangma uloong ba ke kenhun Pegasus, kala aru ban penme eki kamera bat mikrofon hagi mobile phone, ban ii ba di osngo ke igi jeng ekran kinong syong hagi syong ki tau. Bat kani kalong kebabean, bat gajing penken ke hok jongki kam shimet jongki dong syong kari. Kumta hakani kasni Zenit sangma ule thu bana kaliang ke Indian National Congress ka penrem jor kani kejing le bean jong ke sarkar NDA. Bat na kaliang ke Congress kani ki persya kani habor ko kari. Bat ka dawaru da ke judicial probe ka ban pet ngoru da ke Supreme Court ban toket kani bat ban penshtam ki brio ke badan keti ha kani ka kam bean.
About the snooping and hacking of cell phones through Pegasus has given illegal access to the entire conversations, passwords, contact lists, text messages, and live voice calls of India's security apparatus, different individuals like union ministers and opposition leaders, including paramilitary chiefs and the Supreme Court judges, is really very shocking to the entire nation. The spyware Pegasus is able to turn over the phone's camera and microphone to capture all activities in the vicinity of the phone. Thus, snooping through alleged Israeli technology Pegasus on the citizens is treasonous and unconstitutional, violating the fundamental rights to privacy. Therefore, the Indian National Congress Party condemns the unconstitutional act of the incumbent government at the center. We are protesting across the nation and demand a judicial probe monitored by the Honorable Supreme Court to unearth the truth and punish the guilty. We never know. Maybe one or two might have been targeted because the entire list is not with us. So when this kind of modus operandi is found, then we can always assume that the prominent leaders from any state across the country may be targeted.